The next station is
Watch it. Relax, chill, breathe, have a watch it.
How many hours did you sleep?
An hour.
An hour. How many hours did you sleep?
Wala.
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 Ikaw, how many hours are you asleep?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Lokal ka lang, lokal.
Maganda sa kanila.
Kasi hindi edit ko yung mga vlog mo per day.
Tapos upload ko per day. Tapos, tignan ko
Pastor.
saan papunta, parang sa motorbike. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya kami bibuk. Ewan ko kung saan niya kami chinekin. Ay,
Para mo ako talaga sinisisi niya. Ngayon, babasa ko niyan na. Sabi ko, boy, pera ko yung binayad doon. Wala ko yung pakialam. Sabihin mo doon.
tapos sabihin, kaya pala eh. Wala ka pala. Kaya pala pera mo eh.
Ang saya ng first country natin
Galing kami sa unang hotel. Yawa talaga. Umalis
Hindi, alam
kami
mo,
doon.
okay lang naman sana yung hotel. Wala naman kami reklamo. Pero
Oo,
kasi,
okay naman siya.
yung CR kasi,
Public pala siya.
Oo,
Common-
public.
common
Ang CR ang
CR.
pinakamahalaga kasi pag nagbubuk ka kasi, dyan syempre inaanuhan nyo yan. Okay lang kung magkakaibigan kayo magkakasama sa CR. Pero pag may ibang tao, ano ba yun?
Tapos yung picture kasi dun sa co-working area, so ang ganda. Pero yung room,
Diba? Ang
hindi
ganda.
pala.
Ang ganda.
May co-working
Nakita natin
space
sa SB,
kasi.
sabi niya, hey man, ano naman, 900 per net. Ay, go na yun na kasi maganda yung picture eh.
Tapos paglabas
Akala ko Pinas na
lumabas
may
si
scammer.
Pearl. Nakasalubog niya daw mga pok-pok.
Ganda.
Na para pag inaya ka na
Nagpanibo kami ng panibago.
Rebook. Sana maganda na tong re-rebook namin. Dahil gusto namin parang Shangri-La.
Tapos
Wala.
magkano per night?
2.5.
Bilis niya mag-edit.
500.
Oh, Guadalupe! Guadalupe! Kubaw! 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 Boss! Kubaw!
Hindi. Hindi kubaw dito. Cubaw. Cubaw, man.
Boss!
Ah, expensive. 150, 150.
198 man.
Ah,
Okay.
160.
198.
160, man. Oh, Alex.
Hey yo, what up? What up? What up? Ito yung first time na magtutok ako for my own vlog. And finally nakapag-coffee na kami na yan. Coffee ba? Coffee.
Picture lang kayo dalawa, may dito ako sa akin.
Go. So we are here sa Le Cafe.
1.5 yung ano natin.
Phoenix? Paano yung pronounce it? How do you pronounce it? Le Cafe.
Ba't ang laki?
Phoenix.
Hindi. Phoenix ata kasi yung Phoenix. Ano yung P-O-E-N.
Phoenix. Like Cafe Phoenix.
So, 1,800.
Hi guys! So yeah, lumabas ako saglit sa coffee shop, magpapahangin lang ako. And yeah, we are here sa Thailand! We're sa La Cafe Phoenix kami and coffee lang kami. Ay, ito na pala yung BTS trains! Yeah! So, ang plan lang tonight pala. So, a little update. Ang pangit ng first hotel namin kanina. Now we have to book another hotel and non-refundable yun. Pero pagpasok talaga namin sa room, wala talaga. We really have to go. So kaya we left na and fairness, maganda yung bago naming hotel. I mean like so much better than the first. And actually parang ang layo nga ng itsura niya dun sa sa una. But yeah, it's our first day here in Thailand and actually nakatulog na kami ng 4 hours ulit. Kasi sobrang nakatulog kami lahat sa plane and sobrang sakit ng batok namin kasi medyo masikip yung train. Yung plane. Kaya ayun. No choice kami but to sleep. And tignan nyo dito. Ano to? Parang may agad to. Well, in fairness talaga sa culture ng Thailand. Consistency.
Susunod, magbabago yun. My first Thailand taxi ride. Sana kita.
Sana kita. Wait.
Medyo tofu. Soy. So we got Greek yogurt.
Anong binili niyo?
Good, Jeff. This is a good source of protein.
Kunin nyo na yung mga kunin nyo.
Ano ba? Ilo ko lakor?
Hey yo guys, so we are here sa Wat Arun.
Wat Arun!
Wat Arun.
It's our second day.
What?
And yung gastos namin pang 15 days.
Yes, pero...
So yeah, we even rented yung mga outfits.
Hindi kami kumuha ng cameraman kasi she's the best cameraman ever. Sarap
Nakatipid kami ng 200 baht.
Yes, nakatipid.
Tas per person yun. Yeah.
In-rolling ko to yung past life ko.
กรุณาอย่านั่ง
Para bang bakasyonista.
โบราณสถานและเลือกใช้ช่างภาพ
Very turista. Very turista.
ทางวัด
Tingnan nyo dito, ang ganda.
Right click tayo kap pang ano kap. So yes, my love kap.
Okay, tara while we're doing our stuff.
Ano muna kayo, magre-release na ng teaser.
Okay. Yeah, like look at this.
Sorry! Tapos may makmak. Pretty.
Hi guys, we're gonna try the Thai traditional coffee. Is it good? Good. Sarap. Ganda rin ng Shocks collection. Pero maganda sa Pilas. Wow, we're now in Sia Mall. Wow. Isang Ximending lang oh.
Bray, ito na, Bray!
Hey, what up vlog? We're here sa Capybara Cafe sa Sililo. Capybara!
Magaganto rin ba?
Joe, we're here sa Capybara Cafe.
Ito na yung capybara.
Okay.
Gusto ko talaga magpunta dito before pa. Pero when I was in Taiwan, naghahanap din ako nito. Pero wala. Medyo malayo siya. Alam ko meron pero medyo malayo. And meron, parang alpaca lang yata yung meron. So, yeah, I'm here. I'm gonna see capybaras and feed them. Wala siya pakailan mo.
Nay, ilagay ko to sa carousel ko, Nay. Nay, ilagay ko sa carousel ko, Nay. Look! Ay, akala ko Tagalog. Yusining.
Isang Mindanao yun eh.
Cute. Halika muna. Sama ka muna sa akin. Halika. Oh, baby oh.
Oh, di ba?
O na, pag gusto mo kayo, ito na lang daw kayo.
Oh, baby oh.
Only for...
Ano ba yan ang uhuli nga ako? Buhati mo na. Buhati mo na kasi.
Kiss.
Hello. Baby. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to?
Move eh. Gusto mo ganyang alaga?
I'm so happy. Bye-bye. Big baby, bye-bye. This is my first problem. We got 3 first problem and now we got 3 floppers.
this.
Train to. I'll try.
Pearl. Tin. Yes, very nice.
Ay po. I'm gonna get this one. You guys have a stone though. Paper. Ooh, got the goods. Got the goods. Sobrang lamig dito, parang tayo nasa ano, Baguio.
Bakit na lang tayo, Ben?
Ilang Celsius talaga? Totoo?
70.
Okay.
Yes, 70.
What? 70. Aircon na yun eh. Now we're gonna ride a train.
No, we're gonna eat first and drink.
Okay. Why are we here?
Kasi tatawid tayo pag ano.
Okay.
Or makarating tayo doon kasi hindi ready to go eh.
Alright. We're gonna ride the train.
Akin na gamit mo kuya para makapag-shoot ka ng maayos.
Right.
Dali mo yan lahat.
La,
Dali mo, tulungan mo siya.
Knock knock. Knock knock.
who's there?
Train.
Train, wait.
Train, go away, come again another day. How ang di karapang bato.
Hindi ako nakikipagbiruan.
Sa gabi pa kami papunta.
So kakatapos lang namin mag-climb. It was so good, Stone Go, it was so good. I enjoyed it. Hopefully I can be back soon. Kasi may isa pang branch na gusto ko rin puntahan. Parang ayun na yata yung branch na pang mostly pang compete na yung mga boulders. So hopefully next time. Now we're just gonna find something to eat. Dapat mag-aano kami. Ano yun, yung may sky, pero ang mahal kapag walk-in, pero pag sa Klook, 600 lang. Dito, pag walk-in, 1 to baht. So, we're gonna book and we're gonna go back na lang tomorrow. Tara! Oh, vlog, we're here sa Siam Center. It's so good. Ito yun yung pop-up ko. I love it. Yo, Emmy's Cups. I want. Ito na siya. Here we go. Oh no. Dire na tayo, dire. Yo, I love this.
Lilibugan ka na yan.
Alam niyo ba, Blue Elephant is the sister company of Gentle Monster.
Who is the brother?
So, kita mo bayit. This one or this one? Oh. Kuya Jeff, this one. Or this one.
This one.
This one.
What was your first option though?
This one. Mas sharp to do it.
Mas sharp ni, mas edgy ni.
Ito, round. Ito. Sharp.
Ayan. Again. Medyo manly to eh.
Laid back to eh. Ito
Yun
na
nga
lang.
eh.
Let's do this. Ako ba yun? Hi.
Totga.
Ito yung una kong kinuha rin. So, this is the shit.
It's the shit.
It's the shit.
Okay, successful trade.
First damage. At least I have a shield. Now I'm a cherish. Yeah, actually, you kinda look alike. Said you are today. Masakit na yung tiyan ko. Nag-Explora na ako pero kulang.
Gusto ko mag-tricycle.
Ay, pero ganun. Inaana ba na siya doon?
Pwede naman sa mismong sa mismong
Airport.
We are live.
Roaming ba? Naka-roaming. Tapos gamit smart na SIM.
Manghingi pa ako ng tubig doon.
Pag-promo ko yan, Jeff, ha? Pag-promo ko kayo, madakoin yung bill.
Starbucks dito, it's different from the Starbucks sa Philippines.
400.
Sige ba, Jeff? Masakit ulo. Yo, look at this store. Crazy.
Ba't hindi ka nagpapa-exchange ng money mo?
Crazy. Kaya nga eh.
Meron dyan sa baba eh.
I'll try. Ganda rin ito. May nabili ako isa. Ano ito? Yo, we're currently in a vintage shop called Bangsu. Dami mga vintage. Ang dami kong nakakay pero let's see. Dami mga gantong pants dito. Maganda. So I bought one already. Cute too. Ganda. Pang motor ride. Ganda. Also 6K. Yo, I got some pants. Mga good for climbing. Mga ganda. Heart. Damn. It's only $450 but pero I got it for $400. Yay.
ท่านและแขกผู้มีเกียรติที่เข้าร่วมกิจกรรมบนเวทีเพาะนะคะ
Funny story. I really want to go here sa Bangkok Cultural Arts Center. And then, nag-ayas kayo niya pagsiyabol and I didn't know that it was here. Tapos, super traffic nung nag-grab kami. Tapos bumaba na kami, we decided to walk. Tapos may mga nagpipaint sa harap. And then, pagtingin ko, ay, shit, ito pala yun. Dito na ako sa entrance. Ito na. We went inside. So good. I don't know nasa now, but it looks good. Check. Looks good. We are at Don Quixote. Don Quixote. Wow. We just got my sister a Pop Mart. Okay. May gusto niyang pasalubong. Got the goods. Yo, we're at John's Fair. It's so good dito. Like, legit. Kota na tayo, guys. Nakabili na ako. Ang dami ko nabili for myself. Ano na lang, pasalubong na lang. Ang nabibilang ko pa lang si Bettina. Siya pa lang pala. Kasi Pop Mart lang yung kanya, madali eh. Ayaw niya ng mga Thai faves.
Surprisingly, it's delicious.
We have fried centipede. Ito, I want scorpion. Kung ano to, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Ito, feel ko masarap to eh. This one. Bahala na. Alright.
Agaray, kunin mo daw. Agaray, kunin mo daw.
Game? Yeah.
Ano, adobo? Adobong tiki?
Good. What?
Good! You eat the poison! Yes, the poison also.
No poison daw ito.
No poison. Just love poison.
5. Out of 10.
Anong parang? Mamun?
O, hindi na para kunan, mango.
Ha? Parang bread? It tastes like bread. Oh, the poison is there.
No poison.
Just joking.
Here.
Guys, ito yung other half ni Brian. Scorpion to pero parang nasa ano na to eh. Sa belly down to the tail. Okay?
Change!
Medyo nagdadalo yun.
No change, this your money.
Not yet paid.
Yeah.
All na.
How's it? How was it? How's it?
Wow, Marcobar.
Dili. I tried scorpion, now I want crocodile. Give me the crocodile. Okay, we're gonna try. Now we're gonna do crocodile meat. It's 100 baht. Okay.
Guys, kinakain na siya ng kurap. Ay, di pala.
Kaya na bro. Oh. Crocodile. Crocodile. Oy. Crocodile. Oy.
Kaya natanggal. Ang lasa. Chicken. Texture. Let me know the texture, man. Compared to the existing meat.
Like chicken, wait, one more.
Alright. One more time.
It's like chicken, but also fish.
Ah, okay.
It's cold, sobrang sa bibig.
Cold?
Cold.
It's cold.
I don't know if it's the sauce, but it's so cold.
Baka galing yan sa freezer, man.
Try.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna try you. Guys, I'm gonna try the crocodile. Sabi ni Brian, guys, malamig daw.
Try it. Lamig sobra.
Para siyang scallops.
Pero it's hard like beef.
Ah, you should try this. It's delicious. It's chicken, but the texture is like scallops. Hindi parang may aftertaste na
I think it's the sauce.
minty, spice. But it's yummy.
It's yummy.
I like it.
Okay, vlog. It's time to pack. Bye, bitches. Bye.
Uy, mamimiss man ko si Justin. Huwag ka na pumuntang Bini na.
I will vlog na ito muna to the flight. But yeah, Thailand has been fun. 감사합니다.
Brian.